Would you mind just refreshing me on what the best defense is against, I'll get back to you and we'll let you know when you're trying to set a next step, but that's what they're smashing you back.
So there are two words that you can put on the end of a next step that will allow you, dare I say, to aggressively, forcefully, but not aggressive or forcefully, but you're still setting that next step. The problem, to summarize, that Sean is in is the person is saying, hey, I'll get back to you. Don't call me, we'll call you. Any derivation of that, okay? Hopefully, in front of that, he's given them every opportunity to set a better next step than we'll call you. That sounds like this. What's a good next step? Or does it make sense to place the order? No, not right now. Got it. What's a good next step? I'm just not sure. We'll get back to you. Totally understand. What's a good next step for me? Right? And then they still hit you with, we'll get back to you, we'll call you. Okay? There are two words that you can put on the end of the next step that will allow you to set it. Those two words are, fair enough? Hey, totally get it. Now, here's the thing. Don't press your luck. Don't say tomorrow. But let's say, hey, how about we do this? I'll call you on the 9th of next month, so essentially 4 weeks from now if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? And you'll be amazed at when you say fair enough, that 90+% of the time, do you know what they say? Okay. So they're saying we'll call you, right? And you've already given them two other opportunities to set the next step. You're going to set a reasonable, not pressing it, but a reasonable, hey, I'll call you, what is today? Today's the 9th. I'll call you the 9th of next month if I haven't heard from you before that. So I'm saying if I haven't heard from, I'm being respectful of the, I'll call you if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? 90+% of the time. I'm going to say with me, the way I say it, I don't know, maybe it's just magic, maybe it's dumb luck. Almost 100% of the time they go, yeah, cool, right? And then I've got a next step set. I'm NXO, right? Let's call it 1 or 2%. For if you don't have the tonality down, let's call maybe 10% of the time. No. I said I'd call you. Don't call me. Okay, number one, you know your prospect's not that hot. But then number two, you know the last hand grenade that you're going to throw over the wall is your NOS, your net outcome statement. No problem. I'll be here when you need to blank. And the blank is the outcome. Be able to onboard new employees without all that additional cost. Be able to run people through the imaging center without machines being down 17% of the time, or be able to make sure that all of your equipment is positioned not only for summer revenue generating activities, but making sure that you guys are prepped and ready for those snow removal months. Fair enough? And again, you're putting the fair enough at the end, and they're like, okay. And they all feel, 100% of those people that were a jerk to you and shut you down when you lead with a net outcome statement, 100% of them feel slightly, even if they have a heart the size of the Grinch, feel slightly crappy for being such a jerk to you. And most of those people call you back a week later or a month later or 2 months later and like, man, hey, I know we had talked before and I shut you down. We were just having a bad, you'll find that they'll actually like try and sell their way. We were just, no, I totally get it, right? Don't press it. Totally understand. We were just going through some stuff. We had another vendor that we were upset about. I didn't mean to like brush you off before, right? So that's your pattern of getting out of, don't call me, I'll call you. We got to have a more skillful way to get out of that. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.